Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you on how to get Aviator Predictor app activation code. So first, open your browser and type in Aviator Predictor GitHub. This one, just tap on this one, the first link to come up. And then from here, scroll down until you see this one. This one. So you just have to tap on this one. Just tap on that. And then from here, scroll down again, and you should be able to see here the activation codes and login details. So guys, as you can see, activation codes are provided for free upon registration on the official website. And also, there is no need for external code generators as activation codes are provided for free. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!